Hi guys, so today I am jumping on a bus from Vlore and going over to Gjirokaster in Albania. I don't know much about Gjirokaster, apart from it's got quite a lot of nature nearby, and I think it's supposed to be an old medieval city, lots of stone buildings. I'm actually staying in a hostel called City Hostel, so I think it's going to be quite beautiful. I hear there's a castle. I don't think it's very big, but I'm sure there's going to be plenty of stuff to do. I'm only going to be there for a couple of days, but I think it'll be a nice place to check out. And yeah, but for now I'm going to be taking a minibus, slightly bigger than the one that I took to get to Vlore, and I think it's going to be a nice day. So I've made it to Gjirokaster, which is a UNESCO heritage site. I'm staying at the Stone City Hostel because, as you can see, everything is stone. It's a very medieval city, beautiful surroundings, mountains, valleys, castles, everything. So I'm going to have a quick walk around it and see what I can find. But so far, great start. So beautiful, that drive over here. So we're hiking up the mountain to the Pasha Bridge in Gjirokaster in southern Albania. As I said, this place is a UNESCO heritage site. The old town is all the stone city, and then you've got the new build on the far end. It's really beautiful here. The bridge is named after the architect of the aqueduct that supplied water to the castle. Which I walked up to yesterday. But now, surrounded by stunning views, beautiful valleys and mountains in the distance, and I think we're going to see some amazing views in nature the higher we go up. Been a really nice walk up here. I wasn't expecting to see nature like this. It actually kind of reminded me of Snowdonia, with all of the kind of slates and loose stone and just beautiful landscapes all around me. Definitely recommend coming here. The bus ride from Vlore as well, just absolutely picturesque. Hi guys, so today we have rented a car with a few people from the hostel. So we're taking a little road trip. We're going to stop off at a communist hospital which is abandoned, and then we're going to go over to some hot springs and a viewpoint. But again, surrounded by mountains, beautiful day, nice and warm. Going to be a good one. So we made it to the first location, which is the abandoned communist hospital. It's definitely not what I was expecting. We're surrounded by mountains in such a beautiful valley, and the buildings themselves don't look, well, really how I picture a hospital. But yeah, let's let's explore a little bit. So building number 1. Wow, this really is abandoned.
Outside ledge, it could be like a water heating.
So we just stopped off for lunch in this beautiful area. Went along this tiny little road, and yeah, now we're surrounded by chickens over there, and got a duck somewhere. So I think we're just going to walk along the road a little bit, and then yeah, get some lunch. But we've been following beautiful rivers through canyons, snow-topped mountains over there. Yeah, such a stunning region.
We all want to see.
Starters up. Look at that salad. Right.
But you like it.
Look at that.
Ooh,
Bit of lamb.
thank you.
You want a goat?
I had the goat, yeah. More lamb.
Thank you.
Wow. Looks good.
What a shout.
And I got my goat. Okay, let's try this. Try the goat. It just falls apart in your mouth. The flavour is amazing. Ah, that food was amazing. It was a bit pricey, but for views like this, and there was literally no one else around, it was perfect. So now we're going to jump back in the car and head to the hot springs. I think we found the busiest spot in Albania. There's so many people. We're not going to go to the first hot spring. We're going to keep walking to a further one, just because apparently it's a bit quieter and it can even be completely secluded. So let's get moving.
There's people around. One of these bridges.
First bit of water that I touched in this country, and it's, well, this isn't the thermal spring, but just the river running by it. It's not actually that cold. I was expecting it to be colder. God, the smell of sulphur is so strong. You can actually see the colour of the water here running down from the hot spring, joining into the river, and it's a different colour. But it's so much warmer. Right, ready to go up? Oh,
Come and see. Wow.
that is a private spring.
Oh yeah.
I want to get your reaction to this.
Wow. Maui.
Look at that. Right, ready?
Oh my god.
It's warm. Amazing. Amazing.
Oh, this is really nice.
It's so warm. Smells horrendous.
It's okay.
But it's okay.
It's okay.
Adjusting to it.
But like we are in
May.
Yeah.
In the swimming just in the mountain
Yeah.
and not getting freaking cold. Freezing cold.
Yeah. May weather. I think you can still snowboard in Austria right now.
Yeah, you can.
You can
Feel
actually
a
see
bit
the
weird on your skin.
The what?
You can snowboard in Austria right now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And we're doing this.
You can see the bits of floating sulfur as well.
Is that sulfur?
Yeah.
Wow.
And calcium. I think that's
Yeah.
calcium deposit.
Your
Don't quote me on that.
jewelry is going to turn black.
Black. I know.
Yeah,
it already
okay.
has.
Anyway,
Might
guys,
as
thanks
well,
for
I think.
watching. I think this is a great place to end the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe as always. And I will send another video.
Smash that like button.
Smash that like button.
Subscribe. If you don't subscribe right now, we're coming for you.